So today a new phone came, so this is going to be a quick unboxing, taking a look at it. Ooh, here it is. So this is the new Samsung I ordered just a few days ago. Here it is. So this is what it looks like in the box. Really nice picture in the box. I'm going to open it up now and take a first look. So out of the box it slides out and there's another smaller box inside of it, which is this phone. So pull out of the box, the phone is right here. There's a box on the right and to the left, so now we're going to peel the protector off. So this one is the Samsung Galaxy A06, a brand new phone. This is the inside of the box, how it looks. So when you open up the box to the left, you get the user manual guide, as well as you get the charging cord, which is rather nice. And then you get one of the pins to open up the micro SD card slot, which is why I like Samsung, because Apple doesn't have expandable storage. So that folds up into like a really nice little booklet you can see here. So finally onto the bottom, which is the phone under this wrapping paper here. So this is the new phone, absolutely massive at 6.7 inches. Look at the size of that screen. This is it from the back. It's blue and it has an iridescent coating on it, just like my other Galaxy. Look at how cool that looks. So that was the quick unboxing of this. So thanks for watching. We do another video soon, the first review and first use of this phone.